Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's Miss Sherry Rose here, and today I will be doing a DIY project. It's gonna be a DIY on a ring light. So this company from Amazon had reached out to me, and they wanted me to try their LED strip lights. So the name of the company is called HITLIGHTS, and I said sure I would give them a try. So, and I said, well, I can do a ring light out of them. So that's what we're going to be doing today. So I'm gonna unbox. Look at my address. Unbox this. Okay, that is the adapter that we're gonna use. This is the glove stuff. Well, the box is kind of pretty flimsy, but here are the LED strip lights, and the company HITLIGHTS, think beyond the bulb. Okay, we shall see. Let's go ahead and open them up. Be quiet. Be quiet. Every time I do a video, you barking. If you could go to school, you'll go to school too. Here's the installation guide. Yeah, that's my baby. My little sweet baby. He knows I love him. Anyway, that's what's going to hook up to the adapter. Y'all, I'm new to this right here, so I don't know, but this is how it's looking. But for your ring light, the DIY ring light, first and foremost, you're gonna need the foundation. And what better goes into a circle than a floral wreath, a wire wreath foam. And I got this at Walmart. It was like $2.77. You're gonna need your wax paper. This is, if the light is too bright, make sure you get the the microwavable kind, because you know it can withstand heat. So you need this wax paper. I picked this up from my local Dollar Tree. Yes, I love Dollar Tree, for $1. I got 2 different kinds of aluminum foil, and believe it or not, this is the name brand kind that I picked up from Dollar Tree also. So I think I'm gonna go with these since they're already pre-cut. I don't know, but either or is fine. So I just picked it up, the more the merrier, for my kitchen. And you're gonna need scissors so you can cut the whatever these things is, these zip ties. I got these at Dollar Tree, but Walmart. They also sell these at Dollar Tree also. I got them for 96 cents in the hardware. Okay, guys. Now, this is me getting the lights on there. I need to work with them a little more, but because I don't know. I know I read the instructions correctly and everything, but do you see how, like, when I was sticking it, going around, just sticking the lights onto the things, it says peel this off. So I did that to reveal the adhesive. This adhesive, these lights, they don't stick. That's why they're popping up all over the place. So you are going to need the zip ties and maybe some white electrical tape. So I don't have any on hand right now. So this is what I came up with. Yeah, this is what I came up with. They are not sticking. Like, they won't stick. So I'm just gonna go back in with some more zip ties and see if that will kind of just help them a little bit. But I mean, I haven't even tested these lights yet to see if they work. But just put the zip tie on there and just cut that thing off. But be careful, y'all. These things are sharp. When you cut those zip ties, they are very sharp. So I'm just gonna do some more zip ties all around, like cover the little ones that can hold it. And then I'm gonna come back and we're gonna plug these babies up and see how they work. Okay, this is the final result. So let's plug up the lights and see, do they work? So anyway, like I said, they wouldn't, the self-adhesive on the back of this brand, it would not stay. So this is what I came up with. Just zip tie them down. However they shine is however they shine. So this is my first time doing a DIY ring light. So I'm not gonna hold it against myself. But the next time, if I do make another one, it would be out of the rope lights, LED lights that, you know, you can get from Walmart. So let me figure out how to do this. Okay. Now, the only things that did stick pretty well were these things. These things, it stuck pretty well on the for the cord to just stick on there. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Got a little, excuse me. Just put that. I'll put this back on there. Clamps back in, and then I just peel it off. Just peel it out, and just stick it. So that did stick well to the aluminum foil. The LED lights itself, y'all, no. Okay. So, self-explanatory, that goes in the wall. This, I can pretty much see that it goes into this adapter thing. And unswirl, 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 unswirl. Some more. Bam. And that's in there. Unravel that. So, okay. I'm going to take this and this. There they go. It works. So now I'm going to put myself in the camera and see how it'll do. It's all jacked up, but like I said, this is my first one, y'all, so you gotta give me credits. Okay, so now that we know that the lights work, let's turn it on. Only thing I wish it had was a switch I could turn on and off, but it doesn't. That is with the ring light on. That's just laying down. And you see how all of my face is lit up? And then I have a shadow over here. But let me put it in front of me. Down. Even though they tacky looking. And this is their cool lights. White cool lights. Look how lit up I am. Just off this ring light alone. Like, you can't tell me that ain't perfect. Let me put it behind the camera. Because I'm not going to. So just, let's see. But you can't like close the micro eyes on that. But that's pretty good. That's pretty good. I haven't figured out how I'm gonna do it when I film, because I am gonna use this when I film. Trust me, I am. Because they're giving off some good light, and the aluminum foil that we put around that helps bounce the light back onto you. So that's the purpose of the aluminum foil. Now, okay, I'm taking that away. We're gonna turn it off. Do you see the difference? Now let's illuminate me up again. Do you see the difference? This is pretty good, y'all. So shout out to HITLIGHTS. Check them out on Amazon. I will leave a link in the description box to their direct link on Amazon to their, you know, stuff they sell. So would I order from this company again? Absolutely. The only thing I do not like is that it seems like every other DIY I watched on this, their LED strip lights, they stick to the aluminum foil pretty good, but mine didn't. So that's why I said the rope lights. I might have well just got the LED rope lights, but they didn't have, I didn't see any rope lights on there. But if I do another one, I would definitely do the rope lights, because then with the LED strips, excuse me, you won't have to worry about, you know, cutting them and messing them up and them not sticking or just bending them the wrong way, and then you get one that don't work. Because once you bend like one, I think like 3 of them will malfunction. So that's a pretty good loss. Just imagine how many times you do that and losing 3 lights. So, but this is it for my DIY. Yeah, I had one more light on, but I'm still illuminating. That's just the overlight of my stove. So, I mean, I want to be completely honest with my review, but it was just a little light over my stove. So, I'm still illuminated. Like, nothing's on in here. Nothing. And I'm illuminated. Just laying it down. Like, you still can see that just by laying down, this whole side is illuminated. And you know, I have the shadow over here. But anyway, I like this. I like this, y'all. So, shout out to you, HITLIGHTS.